Good afternoon, dear student. Today we are going to discuss about in short 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes 1857 revolt or later on how to send your PDF. Class test will be conducted. So I will send class test on your WhatsApp group after when we end the meeting, Zoom meeting. And after test, there when you make the such folder of PDF folder, so you will make your folder with your name. PDF folder name like suppose like a Akshat. Akshat is name of any one student. So you will write your name in PDF. Your PDF जो PDF folder should be your name. PDF folder. Many times what happens? Student maybe send their PDF like separate PDF or later on they send their name. Later on they send their class and section name in three different messages. In three different messages. So in place of three messages, you will send only one PDF along with your name. Yani, PDF should be come with your name. Like PDF name like Aksar HB PT3. Like Aksar HB PT3, you will write your name in PDF. Okay, dear. So on Monday, your test will be conducted for a PT3 for social science, and during your test, there will be no such teaching classes will be run during the test only. Okay, during test means during the test days. Suppose your test will be start from 7th or till 11th or 12th, whatever last date, till there will be no such teaching classes. Okay, you will free to learn. Now, student, we are going to revise the 1857 revolt. In this 1857 revolt, that was the revolt started by the Indians and it was by the soldiers mostly. And why this movement was started? Because soldiers were not satisfied with the British policies, like rulers were not satisfied, tribals were not satisfied, peasants were not satisfied because Britishers has made the such laws which were against them. Okay, like a tribal for a tribal, Britishers has made the such forest laws. For pigeons, Britishers has made the such revenue or unnecessary taxes, revenue collection on that, like a Monroe system, permanent settlement, and like a Malwari settlement, such settlement or a revenue system on that, and subsidiary alliance also, doctrine alliance also. These were the regions. That's why the rulers, pigeons, and provinces and tribal they were not satisfied, and public also. Later on, what happened during the 1857, there was the movement started by the soldiers because soldiers were not interested to cross a sea or ocean. According to the Hindu cultures, they ignored such traveling part because what they feel ki when we travel or maybe the cross the ocean or sea, so our culture will be polluted. Okay, like a mante ki Western cultures use the like a non, they are non-vegetarian or such culture, so our culture will be polluted all the time. That was the thought by the soldiers, and they refused the. Another one is the current region to start this movement. That was the Cartiers. Cartiers was the made up by the one side pig and another one side cow fed, and it was the their skin was removed by the soldiers' mouth, and later on they used in their gun. So that's why they started the movement. Later on, this movement was spread from the Barakpur to till Delhi, and after that, when Bahadur Shah Jafar support this movement, later on this movement dramatically changed entire nations because many jamidars who were silent or later on what they feel ki if such movement maybe succeed or so finally we again ready to rule on our particular jagirs or area or region. So that's why they support this movement, and this movement was not a well planned, and out of the British had demonized this movement. You know, when 1858 Bahadur Shah Jafar was arrested in front of the Bahadur Shah Jafar. His son was killed by the Britishers. Later on, after 4 years, is sent to the Burma, Myanmar, Rangoon. And in 1862, Bahadur Shah Jafar was died. Later on, this movement was disturbed. Britishers has banned the prayer inside the Jama Masjid for 5 years. and they what they feel is such movement is started by the Muslim or Bahadur Shah Zafar and Zamindar. So later on, whatever the policies are made by the Britishers, at the last it is given. They want to decrease the ratio of Indian soldiers. They want to they want to treat in soft manner with the Indian culture and with their tradition. After that moment, end of the East India Company and later on the British government rule is started like a governor's end. And after that, ratio of Britishers, European soldiers is increased in Indian army. So these were the changes done by the Britishers in this chapter. You will study. Okay, you can revise the main point there, student. So now I am giving the 20 to 25 minutes to write your test paper. So I am sending the test on your WhatsApp group. Now, dear student, to demo okay, how to you send your PDF and how to your preparation is going on now. So, dear, thank you. Have a good day. Please, I'm sending the test on your WhatsApp group and let on submit your PDF, whatever number is given at the below test. Okay, thank you. Have a good day, dear.